Are you dreaming of starting your own online business but don't have any money to invest? No worries, because in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 profitable online business ideas that you can start today without spending a dime. Hey there, welcome to my channel where we talk about all things related to making money online. Starting an online business is a great way to earn a full-time income or even just a side hustle. However, not everyone has the financial means to invest in a business. That's why I've put together this list of 4 online business ideas that require zero investment to get started. Social media management. If you have experience managing social media accounts, you can offer your services to small businesses who need help with their social media marketing. You can use free tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule posts and track analytics. Freelance writing. If you have a passion for writing, you can offer your services as a freelance writer to companies and blogs. You can start by creating a portfolio of your work and pitching to potential clients on sites like Upwork or Fiverr. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services to students. You can use free video conferencing tools like Skype or Zoom to conduct sessions. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services through affiliate marketing programs and earn a commission for every sale. You don't need to have your own website to start. You can promote products through social media or by creating content on free blogging platforms like Medium or Tumblr. So there you have it, 4 online business ideas that you can start with no money. Remember, the key to success is to choose something that you are passionate about and willing to put in the time and effort to make it work. I hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.